Today is the last day ever that you will ever do a writing assignment for me in 5th grade. So this is a pretty big day. You should be really excited to finish this writing piece, and I'm going to show you an example of what your work should look like today. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. And the directions today are in your Google Classroom, but today you're going to be editing and revising. Your revisions should be in a different color, your edits should be in a different color, and you have a few other tasks to do with it. So it's definitely a day that you may need to go back and forth and keep going over what you have to do and what you have not yet done. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my entire essay black font, because today as I edit and revise, I need to do certain things in certain colors. Editing is in red and revising is in blue. So as I go ahead and read, I'm going to be making sure that this is a 6th grade writing piece. So the first thing I usually do is I look to see those blue or red squiggly lines. Here, okay, I've got an amazing teacher, and I had to change that. It's an edit, so I'm going to do red. Down here it says, sometimes she will expect you to, yep. That I had to move the words around, so that was part of arms, so that's going to be blue. Better than, okay, than and then. I'm changing the actual word, so that's also going to be in blue. All right, now I'm going to go back and read it. Miss Kendall is an amazing teacher. Miss Kendall is, there's no reason. That's a capital S, so that's an edit. That's red. Sometimes she will expect you to do a lot of work in a short amount of time. It's okay though. The harder you try to get it all done, the better you'll be at it. Miss Kendall is also caring. If you ever have something you are sad about, you can tell her or even write it in your notebook and she will help you with your problem. Students do their homework. What is? Oh, I'm trying to say Miss Kendall likes when students do their homework. I had to add that in. So adding would be blue. Okay. When students do their homework, when you do your homework, especially if you need to go to distance learning, then you will get rewards. That's in a positive. Remember when I like pause, say something else? It's like explaining it a bit more. So I should put a comma here. When you do your homework, especially if you need to do distant learning. All right, so I'm gonna, those commas will be red. Okay, then you will get rewards. Students misbehave for a substitute. Oh, okay. Miss Kendall doesn't like when. So changing the capitalization was editing. Adding something in was blue. Okay. Student behavior, if she comes back to a bad letter, you're prepared to not talk the whole next day. All right, so now I'm missing an excellent ending. So I can say, you will love having Miss Kendall as your teacher. Okay. I made sure to edit and revise. I made sure to have all different lengths of my sentences. I have a bold beginning, transitions, details, I indented. All right, on to my next paragraph. So that is what you are going to be doing today. When you are done, you can go ahead and delete all of this up here. And then you can write a greeting. Dear new 5th grade students. I didn't finish my essay, this is just an example, but at the end, I might press tab a few times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and say, sincerely, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Miss Kendall, and you can write your name. It sounds like a lot to do today, but it's not. It's just getting your editing and revising done, and then changing it from an essay into a letter. I am really excited to read these. I'm really proud of all of your hard work with writing this year, with our mentor sentences, with our spelling, with your essays, and I'm really excited to see all of that shine today in your last writing piece.